Very deep setback on this home. Beautiful location. Hello friends, welcome. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Glenbrook in the northern part of the Villages. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home that is made of wood frame. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends, thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Glenbrook in the northern part of the Villages. This home is located very near Glenview Country Club. And the first thing I noticed, it has a 2-car garage. It is wood framed and the roof seems to be in very good condition. I will take a panoramic view of the street, friends. That is the street panning east. That is your home, friends. That is the street panning west. Let's walk up the driveway and see what we have. I do notice it has a painted driveway. It has a very deep setback and very mature landscaping. It is a wood-framed home and it has a 2-car garage. As always, friends, please contact Caroline Fromkin with Nexthome Sally Love Real Estate if you have any questions about this home. I do notice that the painted sidewalk leads up to the front of the home as well. And it does have a very nice seating area here in the front of the home. That is your roof line there, friends. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, Caroline. Could you tell us a little bit about this home?
Absolutely. Welcome. So this is a 3-bed, 2-bath designer camellia model in the village of Glenbrook. One of the greatest things about this house are the floors that you're going to see. These are hardwood floors. You don't see them very often in the Villages, but they're here in this house. We are selling it for $400,000, completely turnkey with everything that you see. So if you're interested in it, please give me a call, but make sure you check out that Lanai. It's extended and it's private. Thank you.
Here we are, friends, standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice are these beautiful wood floors, very high ceilings with crown molding. They do have acoustic texture on the ceilings. Off to the right of the foyer area, you will see the kitchen area. Off to the left, you will see a guest quarter area as well. This is a split bedroom design home. You will see your guest bedrooms on the opposite side of the home as the primary bedroom. Here is a guest bedroom. It does have laminate floors. It does have acoustic textured ceilings. Just for your perspective, friends, that does appear to be a queen size bed. This bedroom does have raised panel sliding doors on the closet as well. Off into the guest bathroom. Here is the guest bathroom. It does have tile floors. It has one sink with granite countertops, updated light fixture. It has a tub and shower surround that is made of plastic or fiberglass. This is another guest bedroom, laminate floors in the guest bedroom as well. It appears they're using this bedroom as an office space. There you have it. It does have acoustic textured ceilings. Let's walk out into the living and dining area as well. Those beautiful wood floors are outstanding. Off to the left, you do have the living area. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture, crown molding. Very neutral paint in this home. It has a dining area off to the right as well. This home is gorgeous. I will walk out into the lanai next, and then after that I will take you and show you the kitchen and primary bedroom as well. Let's take a walk out into that lanai area and show you that. Very nice lanai, very large lanai. And the first thing I notice about the lanai is the painted cement floor. That is a sliding glass door that leads into the primary bedroom. This lanai does have a roof that protects you from the sun. Let's take a walk to the backyard. Let's see what the backyard looks like. Here is the backyard. It does have an outdoor patio area that you can put a barbecue grill. It is painted cement as well. That is your backyard. The back of this home does face north, friends. Next, I will walk into the primary bedroom, and then I will walk into the kitchen and show you that. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate that. Let's take a video of the specification sheet, friends. Here is the specification sheet. This home is located at 1276 Deerfield Lane in the Villages, Florida. List price is $400,000. As always, friends, please contact Caroline Fromkin with Realty Sally Love Real Estate Nexthome Realty. Please feel free to pause the video at any time to read the specifications of this home. I will flip the specification sheet over. There is your specification sheet, the second side. The living room is 18 by 18. The kitchen is 11 by 13. Next, I will walk into the primary bedroom and show you what that is, friends. There's a panoramic view of your kitchen. Very nice kitchen, recessed lighting. Here's the primary bedroom. You do see it has laminate floors. That is a king-size bed, friends, to give you perspective. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. Very bright, very neutral colors in this home. That leads off into your primary bathroom. It has tile floors. It has 2 closets with sliding pocket doors, one on the left, one on the right. Very high ceilings in this primary bathroom area. It has a separate commode space. White cabinets. That's very nice. Very, very gorgeous, actually. 2 sinks in this primary bathroom, friends. Does have a window. There is your commode room with a shower. It does have a shower with a glass door. Let's take a look at what the shower looks like. It is a tiled shower, hard surface, very nice. Does have a recessed light in that shower as well. Okay, friends, let's take a look in the kitchen area. I will show you the kitchen area after I give you one last panoramic view of the primary bedroom. There is your sliding glass door from the primary bedroom out into the lanai. I will take a walk out into the garage area first. This is the laundry area, friends. That is the door that will lead out into the garage. Laundry area. It does have white cabinets in this laundry area as well. Let's take a look at the garage. This is your garage, friends. It does have a floor that seems to be recently put in. It is a two-car garage. It does have windows in the garage door. There are your mechanicals. You can see the garage floor is the special designed garage floor. It's covering the cement. It's protecting the cement. Here we are, friends, looking off into the kitchen area. Does have granite countertops, very high ceilings, recessed lighting. You can see the beautiful wood floors. Continue, you do see the kitchen has a single bowl stainless sink. Very nice crown molding. It has a natural gas stove as well. And it appears to have a glass tile backsplash. Very nice. Has a dinette located here in the front of the home. We'll take another panoramic view of this home. Nice white cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. This is a panoramic view of the dining and living area from the kitchen. Very nice. I will now walk out into the street, friends. I'll give you a view of this home from the street one last time. Very deep setback on this home. Beautiful location. Located near Glenview Country Club. As always, friends, please contact Caroline Fromkin, and that is her contact information if you have any questions about this home. Let's walk out into the street. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. There's your home, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood-framed home. It is a Camellia model located here in the village of Bonnybrook in the Villages, Florida. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Thank you for taking this home tour today with me in the village of Glenbrook, this 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.